Pixie-cut wig is that go-to simple hairstyle you can always put on and you will look amazing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a glueless one for yourself. Yes, you can do it. Let's go. Making your wig glueless simply means that anytime you want to wear it, you don't need spray, you don't need glue. Yes, you can save down your edges from damage by making a glueless wig for yourself. So glueless wigs seem to be something very difficult, but it's not, and that is why you have me. In this video, I'm going to show you how. So first thing I did is to use a foundation or like a concealer that is darker than me, that is a shade darker, and then tinted the lace so it will take the color of my skin. So next thing you want to check is how fitted your band is. For you to make a good glueless wig, your band has to be very fitted on you, because that is what is going to drag the lace in front to be flat on your skin. You get what I mean? So yeah, so having done that, placing your wig, it will be the next thing you have to think about, because before you cut it, you want to be sure that the wigs are placed on two equal sides. So that is why I'm checking here. I can see that the left side is a bit longer, so I had to like make it to be on the same size for the both ear. You want to do this because you don't want to cut your hair after cutting it and you find out that one side is not all right and all of that. So next thing now is to cut off this lace that is sitting on your ear. This thing is very important because that is what the whole glueless wig is all about, because it's going to guarantee if this lace will stay flat on your skin. You don't want a lace that is lifting up. If it's lifting up, that means it's not melted. Okay, so now when you are putting an incision, like trying to cut this lace that is off your ear, you want to first of all make an incision to take the shape of your ear. That will help you to now know where you're going to part out, because you need to part it out to remove your hairs away from the road so that you can see what you are cutting, so you won't cut the main hair off. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. This scissors I'm holding is actually very big for a beginner. So as a beginner, if you want to do it, I would advise you get that tiniest scissors, the very small one. That will help you move around and it won't obstruct or make you mistakenly cut off. So look at it. Now you can see that the lace there is very flat on my skin. Next thing you want to do, you do it to the other side of your ear, and then you go ahead to trim off the remaining lace in front of your wig. This particular part, you have to do it in a zigzag movement, just the way my hand is going. Don't do it in a straight line, because if you do, it's not going to look realistic. So try and do it in a zigzag movement. So at my edge, I can see that a little hair is coming off. So that's the reason why I just brought off a little part of the hair to just cover up my hair down there. Don't worry, before the end of the video you will see everything will rhyme up. That's after the styling and all of that. So go ahead and do the same at the other side. Same zigzag movement. Be careful, be gentle, just take your time to do it. I would have done this on a canvas head, but I want to show you guys that it's something you can do for yourself in case you don't have a canvas head at home. You can always place it on your head. Keep a mirror. It's the mirror that I keep staring at. So keep a mirror in front of you to guide you while you cut. But if it's so difficult for you, you can place it on the head of your sister, your sibling, anybody around, so that you can cut it. Apologies for the break in transmission. No apologies. Okay, next thing you want to do is to tint the lace to make sure it's matching your skin again. So that's why I had to use my powder to do that. Now you can see the lace is a bit, it's now matching my skin better. So what I am applying is leave-in conditioner, just to pop up the curls on the hair. And then I go ahead to use my comb to style. It's not so difficult anymore because I've already pre-styled it before the video. Yes, if you are interested to know how you can flatten your wig and everything with just 2 items, then you need to watch my next video. I will show you how to do that. So I am going ahead to, place the wig in shape. I'm trying to make my ear to show in this side, so I'm taking some of the hairs back, I'm bringing some in front. Now I can see that the one in front is too long, so I'm trying to trim it down so it will look like, your natural hair. This Pixie-cut wig is a banger. Like, I don't know how to explain it. My mom, I had to construct one for her and send to her. It has been her go-to hair every day, every time. I keep asking her, don't you have another hair? I mean, is it just this hair you now wear all the time? She told me it's too easy, it's too beautiful and all of that. And each time she wears it, she must get compliments. My goodness, look at that beauty. So your glueless wig is that simple. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you in the next video. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. That is how others that need this video can see it. See you in the next one. Bye.